Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ROG Phone 7 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then let's scroll to find the display. Now we have to scroll down to find sleep. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are relatively short options, or 1, 2, 5, or 10 minutes. Currently, I've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. And all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick, for example, 5 minutes. As you can see, it is marked. And after getting back, it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.